Hello kids, welcome to Sarah's Learning Studio. Today we are going to learn 30 vegetables in English. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Carrot. Say it with me, carrot. Number 2. Potato. Say it with me, potato. Number 3. Tomato. Say it with me, tomato. Number 4. Onion. Say it with me, onion. Number 5. Cabbage. Say it with me, cabbage. Number 6. Cauliflower. Say it with me, cauliflower. Number 7. Spinach. Say it with me, spinach. Number 8. Brinjal, eggplant. Say it with me, brinjal. Number 9. Peas. Say it with me, peas. Number 10. Corn. Say it with me, corn. Number 11. Capsicum. Say it with me, capsicum. Number 12. Broccoli. Say it with me, broccoli. Number 13. Radish. Say it with me, radish. Number 14. Beetroot. Say it with me, beetroot. Number 15. Pumpkin. Say it with me, pumpkin. Number 16. Bottle gourd. Say it with me, bottle gourd. Number 17. Bitter gourd. Say it with me, bitter gourd. Number 18. Ladyfinger, okra. Say it with me, ladyfinger. Number 19. Mushroom. Say it with me, mushroom. Number 20. Garlic. Say it with me, garlic. Number 21. Ginger. Say it with me, ginger. Number 22. Sweet potato. Say it with me, sweet potato. Number 23. Turnip. Say it with me, turnip. Number 24. Zucchini. Say it with me, zucchini. Number 25. Lettuce. Say it with me, lettuce. Number 26. Spring onion. Say it with me, spring onion. Number 27. Green beans. Say it with me, green beans. Number 28. Ridge gourd. Say it with me, ridge gourd. Number 29. Drumstick. Say it with me, drumstick. Number 30. Yam. Say it with me, yam. Great job! You learned 30 vegetables. Which vegetable do you like the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sarah's Learning Studio. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.